All right, so Mr. Salinas, today is your plea deadline date. So are you requesting a jury trial?
No, Your Honor. What I'm requesting is a 2-week, no more than 3-week reset for the plea deadline because we're trying to get with the apartment complex to find restitution amounts, if any, so they can properly evaluate the offer that the DA has made.
All right, Norma. Recall this for the week of July 7th. There will be no further extensions.
I understand, Judge, and I greatly appreciate that.
All right. All right, July 8th. And you'll need to be here in person.
Yes, Judge.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you excuse.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You know, you want, take care of that first. You'll take care of it first.
Judge, may I approach?
Just give me a moment.
Sure.
I have to put this in the system.
I wasn't going to.
Um, President Dixon. Hi.
Judge, I apologize for not being here when you called me. I had to go get a tape measure.
Oh,
He's gonna need new clothes.
oh, most definitely. So you all are going to trial?
Not yet, Judge. You asked me to come back in today,
You're
but
going to get that information, but this is going to be trial?
I'm hoping not. But
Okay.
I've got to get Dr. Murphy's from court first. I talked to her this morning. The package that she needed from Mr. Dixon is en route to her.
Okay,
So she's thinking 3 weeks.
all right.
Now, if she's got to do an in-person visit with him, it'll be longer. But if she does it by Zoom, it'll be 3 weeks.
All right, so. All right, the week of July 14th, that's the final date I'm giving you all.
Your Honor, if you'll give me just a moment.
Sure.
Judge, I'm out of state from the 11th to the 20th with the court.
I can bring you back the 7th or the 8th
Of August,
July.
of July. I don't know if that's going to be enough time for her to do
When are you going to be back?
the 20th of July. That's a Sunday, I think.
All right, Norma, set this for the 21st.
You're most kind, Your Honor. Thank you so
Sure.
much.
There'll be no further extensions of the plea deadline date.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Is there anything else?
No, Judge, I think that will cover it. And if I get any indication from Dr. Murphy, she's not going to make the deadline, I'll let the court know.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Is there anything else?
No, not with respect to
Oh,
Mr.
did you say
Dixon.
you need to measure him or
I
something?
do, I'll do that in the back.
Okay,
And have Mr. Flores also here today, Judge.
all right. Deputy, are you okay with me doing his other client very quickly? All right. Flores.
Judge, on Mr. Flores, I've got some discovery issues
Mhm.
and I got appointed last night
To the other case.
to another case.
And I think that's the state jail felonies.
Yes, Your Honor, it is. It's an unauthorized use.
All right, what are the discovery issues?
Yes, Judge, on the manufacturing delivery case,
Mhm.
there are 11 large files. I had made a request on May the 10th for the large files via Veripic, but I never got it. I requested it last night, and I talked to Andrew about it this morning, and Andrew's got a advocate working on copying what they can for me right now.
Okay, I think you're probably gonna need a drive or something if it's too big.
I think so, Judge. I got 4 drives out in different cases right now, so I've got to get another drive.
All right,
And I told him I'd be back by Friday with the drive,
all right, so I'm gonna recall this for discovery for July 21st.
July 20th. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, do you have any questions?
Is there a way I could get a bond?
You'll need to speak to your attorney and your attorney can file whatever motions in the court will hear it. All right.
Judge, I'll follow a motion.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Flores.
Okay, that's, I did that.
Oh, and counsel on
Yes, ma'am.
Flores, can you make sure that the attorney has the discovery on the state jail if there's something that you were given?
I talked to them about it. So they did turn over about 800 gigabytes. However, it was a mistake. The discovery I was given was on some murder case.
Ah,
I
okay.
think there was a JN switch up or something. So they're looking into it. They said, yeah, definitely a mistake. I don't think there's any additional. I think it just got mislabeled.
Okay,
But yeah, if I hear back from IT that there is more, I'll let them know.
all right. They put this in here.
And you're on the all talking matter.
All right, just give me a moment.
Transaction.
Natasha Manning. Natasha Manning.
Present on her behalf, Judge.
Yes.
This is the individual who has her young child with her. I explained to her in the future, she needs to make arrangements. It's essentially her first court date after her matter had been indicted. So I conferred with the state on this one, Judge.
Mhm.
So due to the nature of the charge, there is a lot of discovery. It's quite voluminous. There's over 30 videos as well as a number of reports from ACS. At this time, I don't see an autopsy report done as to the subject matter of this case. So I'm requesting just a 2 to 3 week reset in order to properly vet all the discovery, make sure nothing's missing, Judge.
Norma, I need 3 weeks, please.
That works for me. Discovery, we believe that there's some outstanding portions at this time from Leon Valley Police Department. I know it's a smaller municipality within San Antonio, so their system isn't as automated in terms of uploading videos. In referencing the discovery, there's one PDF file with some reports as well as one body worn cam video. There, in our estimation, maybe believe missing photos, missing videos when he was taken into custody with regard to the warrants. and a report thereafter to see if he made any statements or not. So all that stuff is outstanding. I did, Your Honor. Yes, I communicated that over to them. They said that they were going to reach out to Leon Valley as well as U-Haul to see if they can get some additional pieces of information, evidence. At this time, we believe it's lacking, that they can't necessarily prove their case. So I know that they were on board as well with having a little bit of time. If perhaps the court saw fit to reset it to July 17th, 3 weeks, in order to afford the state some time to do that, would appreciate it, Your Honor. Set it on the same date if you could.
July 7th.
Okay.
So once you sign the reset, excuse me, seeing your attorney will do the document.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And what page is he on? He's on page 430. Thank you. Who's here? Noah Guerrero? I am right.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Judge, we have submitted the PTD agreement
Okay.
and I'm requesting, can we reset for July 30th? I have the 29th and the 31st. She told me to ask you because she said the 29th or 31st is 30th. Okay.
July 30th?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, well, it's July 30th.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Judge. Just
Hey, what you find the recess from your seats? Okay, fine, thank you. Bill Grant? Mr. Grant, how are you doing?
Doing all right.
All right, counsel, did your client want a bench trial or a jury trial?
Jury trial, he wants to hire another lawyer on it, Your Honor.
All right, so you want to hire another attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
And how long is it gonna take you to hire an attorney?
I hired him like a couple of days ago. And
Oh, you've already hired an attorney?
uh-huh.
And who is this attorney?
Michael.
I'm Michael Sawyer.
All right, so then, and has he filed a notice of retained counsel?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, then defense, you're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, just have a seat. We'll wait for your attorney to appear.
All right, thank you.
They're not ready on this. Matthew Insuriaga. Hello. Hi, how are you doing?
How you doing?
Let me find you on the docket. All right, so docket here starts at 9 a.m., not 9:05, 9:15.
It's not.
You understand?
It's not.
So why were you late?
I was in the wrong courthouse.
All right, so you should have known this is the courthouse you need to be in because you've been here twice before.
Yes, ma'am. No, I just came from the other side, so I thought I was in the right
Well, let
place.
me explain something to you. If I were not here, and if there were another judge here, you know what they would do? Take you into custody and give you a remand without bond. There are other judges who sat for me before, and when they call your name and you're not there to answer it, and they're calling the docket, even if they have not finished calling the docket, they would take you into custody. So this is very important, and you need to make sure you're on time. You understand?
Yes, ma'am. Apologies.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, set this for the second week in July. Your attorney is currently in a jury trial.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
All right, July 8th. Once you sign the reset form, you excuse and make sure you're on time next time, okay?
My apologies.
You're welcome.
Okay, very good.
All right, thank you.